Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you 4 important apps you must have on your phone when you come to Germany. Actually, these apps have saved my life like 1,000 times, and it's very important you have them on your phone if you really want to stay in Germany and have a good living. You must have these apps. Okay, so right away, before we start this video, if you're new here, please subscribe to the channel. Okay, so the first app you must have, of course, is Google Maps. Trust me, you are going to need Google Maps because it's going to save your life. If you don't want to get lost here, especially if you're coming to Munich, most of the buildings looks like the same. You might be at one particular area and you might think that you're at this area. You might want to go somewhere, you have an appointment, you don't know the place, and you can't be asking people, I want to go here, I want to go here, please what's the direction? Come on, no one have the time for you to be asking those questions. So you must have Google Maps on your phone. You have to install Google Maps on your phone. So what you have to do is to type in your destination address, and then you also type in your current, where you are, your current address, and Google Map will take you there. Google Map will take you there. So guys, that's the number one, the first app you must have on your phone. Secondly, or the second app you must have is Google Translate. In fact, if you don't understand German, of which most of you will not understand because a few people, international students, understand. So if you don't understand German, you must have Google Translate on your phone. With Google Translate, sometimes you might go to a certain place, there will be a writing there that maybe you don't have to pass through these gates, you don't have to do this, and it's written in German. How are you going to know? So sometimes you need to put the name, that German word, and it can translate for you in English. When I came here first, I use Google Translate in supermarkets when I'm buying stuff. Sometimes I don't know what actually this is, so I'll put the name and it will translate for me and I understand. So I've used Google Translate a whole lot. The third app you must have is MVG app. MVG. If you're coming to Munich, you must have MVG. If you are going to Berlin, there's BVG. Yeah, it's an app that can tell you the type of U-Bahn, the type of S-Bahn, the train, whether you should take a train, whether you should take a bus, whether you should take a tram. That app will tell you. Like if you are moving from where you are staying to your school for the first time, you don't know where the school is located, you just put the address of the school, and you also put your address where you are currently standing, and that app will show you whether to take this bus to this place, then take this tram to another place. That app will show you exactly how you must do it, and it has helped me a whole lot. And you must have it. You must have it on your phone. You can just install it on your phone, and then that's it. So you must have the MVG or the BVG. If you are going to Stuttgart, they all have this app, so you must check it and then install it on your phone. The fourth and the last one is the Munich map. The Munich map. Sometimes you don't even have to use the MVG. You can just look at the Munich map, and they also have Berlin map and other cities. They also have that map. You can just check that map, and you know that you have to take this train because the trains have numbers. We have the U1, U2, U3, U4, U5, and that's it. You must check on the map that maybe you are going to this location and you must take this train or that train. So the map will show you, guys. So these are the 4 apps you must have on your phone when you come to Germany, and trust me, it's going to help you a whole lot. Maybe you might not understand this, but if you come to this country or you're already in this country, you can use this app. You don't have to going around asking people the directions and whole lot. I mean, get this app on your phone. Put your destination address. Put your current address. It will take you right there. It might not be 100% accurate, but it's like 99.99 accurate. So guys, that's all for today. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and then also subscribe to the channel, and then see you in the next video. Thank you, bye.